Buckle up for a wild ride in the digital world.
This week on Planet Chuckle, we're diving headfirst into a universe where gaming meets music and NFTs reign supreme. From Roblox rocking with BAYC avatars to DeGods' ambitious new roadmap, we've got the latest and greatest in virtual entertainment.
Plus, we're talking crypto advancements that are changing the game and a virtual band that's about to top your playlists.
So get ready to laugh and leap into the future, all aboard the Planet Chuckle Express to the digital frontier. Hey, have you heard about Toniq Labs launching the Bioniq Bitcoin NFT marketplace? They're saying it's the world's fastest for Bitcoin NFTs. It's like the Usain Bolt of marketplaces.
World's fastest, huh? Does it come with a speedometer? And here I am still trying to figure out what an NFT actually is. Is it like those baseball cards I collected as a kid, but just more virtual and expensive?
Exactly, but with less chance of finding them in your old shoebox. They're also aiming to reduce the congestion of the Bitcoin network, kind of like trying to clear traffic jams on the internet highway.
Well, if they can make buying and selling NFTs as easy as ordering a pizza, sign me up. But can they also make it as satisfying? That's the real question. And hey, if you're itching to dive deeper into this world of super speedy Bitcoin NFT marketplaces, make sure to hit that subscribe button, smash the like, and ring that notification bell. We'll keep you updated with all the tech giggles and gaffes you can handle.
All right, moving on to our next bit of tech wizardry. Horizon Blockchain Games, with a little help from gaming giant Ubisoft, just launched Sequence Builder. It's a platform that's set to blend cryptocurrency and NFTs into video games. They even raised a cool $40 million for it.
40 million. That's like hitting the jackpot on a gaming console slot machine. With this, buying virtual swords and space helmets with crypto might just become our new normal. Next thing you know, we'll be trading NFTs to get extra lives or unlock secret levels.
It's like every gamer's dream and accountant's nightmare rolled into one. Just imagine explaining those transactions in your tax returns. Here's something for our watch enthusiasts. Casio's stepping into the future with 2,000 virtual G-Shock NFTs. They're launching on December 15th, and if you've got the G-Shock Creator Pass, you get first dibs on minting these digital timepieces.
Virtual watches, huh? Perfect for when you want to know the time in a digital world. I mean, who needs a watch on their wrist when you can have one in the cloud? Next, we'll be wearing NFT sunglasses to block out virtual sunlight.
Louis Vuitton is diving deeper into Web3 with their latest NFT, the VIA Tile Trunk. It's a mini virtual trunk designed by Nicolas Ghesquière, inspired by his trunk-shaped mini-cube bag. And guess what? Only 200 of these digital trunks are up for grabs, each at a cool €6,000.
6,000 euros for a digital trunk? I hope it comes with virtual storage space. This is their first big leap into selling digital products. Who knew the day would come when your fashion statement could exist only in the digital world?
Ton Foundation is making waves in the blockchain and gaming world. They've teamed up with Animoca Brands, who's now the biggest validator for the open network blockchain. This move is part of Ton's ambitious push into gaming and the Metaverse.
And get this, Animoca didn't just jump in blind. They did their homework, producing papers that praised Ton's user-friendly dApps and scalable architecture. It's like finding the golden ticket for crypto's future.
They've also developed an analytics dashboard shining a light on Ton's growth. Transparency is the name of the game here.
The star of the show, Ton Play. It's a gaming infrastructure that brings games straight to Telegram. Imagine your chat app turning into a gaming hub. Talk about leveling up your texting game.
In the NFT universe, DeGods just rolled out a fresh roadmap. It's all about getting the community involved and pushing tech boundaries. They've got a bunch of cool updates lined up.
They're introducing an identity system, something called an internal accelerator to boost NFT IP development, and even official licensing. Plus, a new social app, Detox. It's like they're building their own digital empire.
The big picture? They're aiming to unite DeGods, Utes, BTC DeGods, and Dust communities. It's like throwing a massive party where every cool NFT gang is invited. Here's a crossover that's turning heads. BAYC avatars have landed in Roblox, starring in the game Kingship Islands. It's not just any game. It features Kingship, a virtual band made up of BAYC NFT characters thanks to Universal Music Group.
Imagine jamming with your favourite NFTs in a game. It's like blending a rock concert with a gaming marathon. Virtual bands, virtual fans, and now a virtual world to explore. The future of music and gaming is getting a serious remix.
And that's a wrap for today's digital deep dive on Planet Chuckle. We explored the wild world of NFTs, virtual bands, and gaming breakthroughs. Who knew the future would be this fun?
It's like we're living in a sci-fi movie, except the popcorn's real. Thanks for joining us on this virtual voyage. Remember, in the world of news, there's always a reason to chuckle, especially when it's this bizarre.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Your laughs are what keep this planet spinning. Until next time, keep smiling and stay tuned for more laughs and ludicrous stories from around the globe.